A single day dazzles with moments, but only years reveal meaning. Time is not just a measure, it is a teacher. It shows us the truth invisible in the rush of daily life. In 2025, UPSC asked us to reflect on the idea the years teach much which the days never know. A reminder that patience, continuity, and hindsight often unlocks lessons beyond immediate experience. Let us explore this through 8 dimensions. Number 1, perspective and hindsight. What confuses us in the moment often makes sense in retrospect. Example, long-term consequences of the Green Revolution, both food security and ecological strain were invisible in the early years. Number 2, policy and governance. The true impact of decisions unfolds only across decades. Example, India's 1991 economic reforms restrained initially but transformed the nation's trajectory over 30 years. Number 3, history as a teacher. Generations learn wisdom denied to contemporaries. Example, the lessons of World War I were poorly understood in its day but shaped diplomacy worldwide after World War II. Number 4, science and innovation. Discoveries may appear small daily, but their significance grows with time. Example, the mapping of the human genome in 2003 since revolutionized medicine and genetics. Number 5, relationship and growth. Daily moments may seem trivial, but years give them depth. Example, lifelong friendships, mentorships reveal meaning only after decades of shared experiences. Number 6, ecology and environment. Nature's lessons emerge slowly, often too late for daily observation. Example, climate change proves decades of emission accumulate to irreversible impacts. Number 7, culture and social change. Movements appear slow, but time shows transformation. Example, women's education in India has steadily reshaped workforce participation and has shown social attitude change across decades. Number 8, when years mislead, time does not always teach. Sometimes it entrenches harmful impacts. Example, caste hierarchies in India persisted for centuries, where years taught conformity instead of reform until movements broke the cycle. Days sparkle with activity, but years weave in meaning. Time grants perspective, connects causes with consequences, and turns events into wisdom. Yet years must not lull us into passivity. Learning requires reflection. The challenge is in balancing urgent action with long-term vision, because days may teach urgency, but it is the years that teach understanding. Now that you've seen my version, write it in your own words, share it with us. In our Essay Excellence program, we will evaluate the first 100 essays absolutely free. If this video was interesting for you, do share it at least with one civil services aspirant, because sometimes these thoughts are what they require to get that final push.